Ferguson. Michael Brown parents sue authorities for wrongful death. The parents of Michael Brown, whose shooting by police in the U.S. city Ferguson sparked riots in August 2014, are suing the authorities. The wrongful death suit seeks a minimum of $75,000 £50,000 compensation. The shooting of the unarmed 18-year-old by white police officer Darren Wilson in Missouri became the national cause and sparked protests, some violent. The shooting was reviewed by a grand jury, which decided in November not to charge Mr. Wilson. However, the family say they have new forensic evidence that raises questions about the police version of events. Civil cases generally require a lower standard of proof than criminal cases. If the lawsuit does come to trial, it could force Darren Wilson to testify in court. The narrative of the law enforcement all across the country for shooting unarmed people of color is the same, that they had no other choice, attorney Benjamin Crump said. But time and time again, the objective evidence contradicts the standard police narrative. Along with seeking punitive damages from the city of Ferguson, the suit also calls for a court order prohibiting the use of police techniques that demean, disregard, or underserve its African American population. The St. Louis County Grand Jury and the U.S. Justice Department had declined to prosecute Mr. Wilson, who resigned in November. He had argued that he was acting in self-defense. A scathing federal report by the U.S. Department of Justice following the protests alleged widespread racial bias in the Ferguson justice system. The report led to several high-profile resignations, including the chief of police. This is not the only current civil case involving the police killing of an unarmed black man. In New York, the family of Eric Garner is seeking $75 million in damages. Mr. Garner's death sparked protests after a video was posted appearing to show a plainclothes officer choking him during arrest.